Dear students, good morning to all. Warm welcome to our online science class. In this session, we discussed about isotopes, isobars and isodonts. In previous session, you are seen about atomic structure. From that, you are clear that what is atom, atomic number, protons, electrons, neutrons and etc. Now we are going to discuss about isotopes. What is isotopes? In nature, a number of atoms of same elements have been identified, which have the same number of atomic number but different mass numbers. Look at this picture. In this case of hydrogen atom, you are see that three structure of hydrogen atom. In first one is protium 1H1, that means atomic number is 1 and mass number also 1. In second one is deuterium 1H2, this means atomic number is 1 and mass number is 2. Similarly, in third one tritium 1H3, this means atomic number is 1, mass number is 3. Look at this picture. This is carbon atom. In that, first one is 6 carbon 12. This means that atomic number is 6, mass number is 12. And second one is 6 carbon 13. This means that atomic number of carbon is 6, mass number is 13. So, from the above examples, isotopes are the atoms of same element having the same atomic number but different mass number. Next, there are two types of isotopes. One is stable isotope and another one is unstable isotopes. A stable isotopes do not undergo radioactive. These are the stable isotopes, for example carbon, oxygen, etc. And unstable isotopes, the isotopes which have the extra neutrons in their nuclei are called radioactive. These isotopes are called radioisotopes. For example, uranium 235. Next, we are going to discuss about isobars. What is isobar? Look at this picture. This picture shows the atoms of argon and calcium. In argon, atomic number is 18 and mass number is 40. Similarly, next one, calcium atom. Its atomic number is 20 and mass number is 40. From this, both atom has same mass number but different atomic number. So, from the above example, both atom has different number of protons and electrons. That means the total number of nucleons is both the atoms are the same. So the mass number also same. So isobar is defined as the atoms of different elements with different atomic number which have the same mass number. More examples for isobars: argon, potassium, calcium. Look at this picture. In that we are already seen that argon and calcium. Here both the atom has the mass number is 40 and potassium also mass number is 40. Next we are going to discuss about isotones. Look at this picture. This picture shows the atoms of boron and carbon. In that, nucleus of boron has 5 proton and 6 neutron, and carbon nucleus has 6 proton and 6 neutron. Listen, here how can you find the number of neutrons? To find this, we can subtract the atomic number from the mass number, then we get the number of neutrons. So the above pair of elements, boron and carbon, has the same number of neutrons and different number of protons and different atomic numbers. So isotones are defined as the different elements with different atomic number and different mass number but with the same number of neutrons are called isotones. For example, oxygen, nitrogen and carbon. Here oxygen has the 8 protons and 8 neutrons, and nitrogen has 7 protons, 8 neutrons, and carbon has 6 protons and 8 neutrons. So from this, all the elements has same number of neutrons. So these are the isotones. Dear students, in this session we are discussed about isotopes, isobars and isotones. We will meet again in next session with another topic. Thank you.